Hi, in this video you will learn how to identify your competitor in Google Ads. It is very important feature. If you do not get sales, do not get click, then you need to use this feature and understand where the error and where you need to work. So here I searches plumbing service on USA. Here you can see first result, second result, third result, fourth result. That means this is the first advertiser, first computer, second advertiser, second computer, third advertiser, third computer, fourth advertiser, fourth computer. This is the first position. This is the second position. This is the third position, fourth position. If you do not get the first and second position, you will not get click or targeted traffic or targeted sale. So you need to analyze how to identify your competitor. It is very easy. So let's go on my Google account. Here you can see I just going my Google account and I am going to campaign option. Just select your campaign. First of all, select your targeted campaign. So I just select this was our target campaign. Click here and click the auction inside. If you click the auction inside, here you can see these are the competitor of Google Ad, your competitor. If you click then if you click also ad group, just click the ad group and check the auction side. In the here you can see also these your competitors. Okay, and also you can check keyword. So here you can see there has a lots of keyword. I just click this keyword and check auction side. So in this keyword we are not getting enough data, but if there has a enough data, then we can analyze this. So if you want to analyze your competitor, you can check auction, impression, overlap, position above red, top of the page, outranking share. So I'm going to share you how to and check the auction side. And if you check the auction side, then here you can see I just click the all time, then you will get all data. Just here you can see SpyX, impression share, overlap, position above rate, spynow.com, position above rate, then my position is most below. So you need to work and analyze this data above, top of race, top pages of rated, outranking share. That means if you check the auction site, you can understand your competitor work better than you. So you need to work them. Okay, you need to work them how your computer work perform good, and where are you where you need to improve your performance, where you need to improve your to get the first position, we need to work. So if you need any help on your Google Ad projects, then contact me. I'm a top rated Google Ad specialist. I'm working as a freelancer, so I can help you to optimize your Google Ad to get more conversion. Thank you so much for watching.